Okay, let's take about what was the common mistakes people are doing in daily hair care.
Biggest mistake that they do is you should never comb your wet hair.
Hmm. Okay.
You should not use comb when your hair is wet. First is that you should not use too much heat without heat protection.
Hmm.
You should always put heat protection before even drying. Even you're stepping out, then also you should heat protection
Hmm.
because how you apply sunscreen,
Yeah.
right, for the face, and heat
Hmm.
protector is also works the same way because sun rays is going to damage your hair also. It's not for skin, right?
Right.
They're going to damage your hair also. So it's very important if you're stepping out, you should use heat protector or something like that create a barrier.
Hmm.
So sun rays and your hair should not get in direct contact. That is one thing. And then oiling. Oiling is a game changer. It
So oiling कब करना चाहिए?
oiling you can actually oiling you can before shampoo after shampoo. So you do one thing, just clean your hair, shampoo it, dry it slightly, and then you do it. Because if you do it
तो
in
ड्राई होने के बाद.
yeah, so that you need to massage it, like it's a ritual. Oiling hair is a ritual. So after washing your hair, because your dirty hair, if you're doing oiling, then doesn't make sense, right? So you wash it, you get a clean scalp, and then warm oil, just massage it in circular motion so that it generates your cuticles, it generates your hair follicles,
Hmm.
and then you'll see the lot of difference. Because we are doing in a wrong way that like hair oiling, it's a process.
एंड बहुत सारे ऐसे भी है कि लोग बोलते हैं ऑयलिंग नाइट को करना चाहिए.
So I'll tell you, it's not like that. It's for 10 minutes process. How much your hair or your scalp wants oil, they'll take it. And most of the time, your hair gets oil from your inside body. You just needs to eat good food or maybe vitamins or omega 3 is really good for your hair. Amla is really good for your hair. Fenugreek seeds are really good for your hair. So whatever oil your hair needs, they'll get it inside your body.
Right.
You whatever you're doing, it's cherry on top, that hair oiling. It just create a blood circulation, and then it helps. Oiling really helps you a lot.
और शैम्पू कब कब करना चाहिए, लाइक रेगुलर करना चाहिए या मतलब ऑल्टरनेट पे ऐसा?
Okay, for shampoo and conditioner, so shampoo is for your scalp, it's not for your hair, and
Okay.
conditioner is for your hair.
Okay.
So you need to understand your scalp. If you have a dry scalp, so you cannot use oily one. Like dry on dry, it won't work. So you need to understand your scalp. If you have a dry scalp, so you need something nourishing. If you have a oily or already oily scalp and you're using oily shampoo, it will make it more oily, right? So amount is very important, and what product are you using? It's really important.
Okay, tell me 2-3 good products शैम्पू जो लोग यूज कर सकते हैं.
So there's so many. That's what I'm saying. You need to understand that your hair type and actually your scalp type actually. Shampoo is for your scalp, it's not for your hair. Conditioner is for your hair.
Okay.
So for scalp you need to use a certain shampoo for your scalp, and for conditioner because it's for your hair to soften your cuticles. And then people think that doing conditioner, I'm like there's a lot of myth that when you apply conditioner you're losing a lot of hair. It's not like that. It's actually what it does, it takes off all the dead hair and everything because you are using it, and it makes it more softer and then everything like
तो
that.
अब 2-3 टाइम बताओ, लाइक जिसके पास जिसके ड्राई स्कैल्प है और जो भी टाइप्स है 2-3, वो टाइप्स के अकॉर्डिंग आप 2-3 शैम्पू जो यूज़ कर सकते हो उसको फिर मतलब शैम्पू के बारे में बता सकते
So paraben free, you should you can use paraben free shampoos.
हो. एनीवन कैन यूज़?
Anyone can use, yeah. Paraben free is anyone can use until unless you don't have a psoriasis. It's a scalp disorder. You should not use. In that case, you cannot use. And paraben free clear crystal shampoo or clarifying shampoo. Clarifying shampoo you can use, and conditioner. So you
शैम्पू के साथ कंडीशनर मतलब इम्पोर्टेंट है यूज़ करना.
it's very important. Like for boys, still I would say it's not that important because of course we have shorter hair,
Okay.
but it's important actually because conditioner has very different job and shampoo has very different job. Shampoo makes your hair very dry. You can all and conditioner, what it does, it makes it shut the cuticles and makes it more soft and shiny.
अभी हम लोग मतलब जनरली जो नॉर्मल लोग हैं वो मतलब सोप को भी ऐसा हेयर में यूज़ करते हैं, हेयर के लिए जो बॉडी सोप होता है उन उसको भी यूज़ करते हैं हेयर में। तो उसका क्या इफ़ेक्ट हो सकता है? मतलब क्योंकि अभी भी अ, मतलब अगर आप रूरल एरिया में जाओगे या मतलब जो नॉर्मल पीपल्स है, जो कॉमन मैन है उसको सेंस नहीं है, तो वो लोग शैम्पू यूज़ नहीं करते। कभी-कभी जो बॉडी सोप है उनको भी एज़ अ शैम्पू यूज़ कर लेते हैं, हेयर में यूज़ करते हैं।
It makes your hair very dry
हुँ,
because the soap has very different formula altogether. It's for your skin,
हुँ।
and your skin is hair is altogether different tissues,
यस, यस।
right? So you cannot use your soap on your hair. Definitely not.
ओके, सो इस सबको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, अभी जो हमने बात किया कि एक जो नॉर्मल पीपल है
Hmm.
जिनका एक ऑफिस रूटीन है और एक मतलब उनके डे टू डे लाइफ में वो सिंपल अपने हेयर केयर के लिए क्या क्या कर सकते हैं जो जिसमें ज़्यादा उनको मेहनत नहीं करना पड़े, ज़्यादा एक्सपेंस नहीं करना पड़े, अपने मतलब हेयर को भी अच्छे से केयर कर पाए।
Okay, so the four things actually you
हम्म,
can do. It's shampoo, conditioner, heat protector,
ओके।
and then sometime oiling.
हम्म,
Yeah, and shampoo you need to do. It's depend on your work culture, and then every day is also not very good for your hair. Shampoo, like every day you're doing shampoo,
तो
you should
वीक में
always
कितने दिन करना चाहिए?
thrice,
3 टाइम।
thrice.